first order of the day is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $8.50 going 3 miles, only 2 items. It's looking like it's just some cat food, so it should be pretty quick and easy. This Rachel Ray. What does she know about cat food?
He comes in all the time.
I know.
You're cool, right? Yeah.
In all caps, it says, "Call if you have trouble finding the door." So aggressive. Next order up is for McDonald's. This one is $7 going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Thank you. I just got my next order. Looks like it's a stack going to the same person. $10 going 5.5 miles. First pickup looks like it's gonna be Angels. I think the second one is gonna be Black Girl Coffee, but we'll see.
It's just a box. Thank you.
Thank you.
The sticker, sorry. Can I see the box? Can I just press it? Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Got my next order. This one is for McDonald's. $10 and some change, going just under 3 miles. All right, this one is 50-50. I'm not sure if I'm screwing myself over or not, but we'll find out. This one is for IHOP, $14.25 going 8.5 miles. First obstacle is gonna be if this order is even ready or not. And it is going to a place that's like in the middle of nowhere.
Hi there. What's the name?
Adam?
Adam?
Yeah.
They have the ticket, but the food's not out yet, so we're still making it. Should be 5-10 minutes.
Who do you have?
Adam?
Hi, if you could pick up.
Yeah, for Adam.
It's not here yet. I'll go see how long.
Okay, no worries. Thank you.
So I used to walk.
Thank you. I was just about to say, if this next bag coming out isn't for my guy, then he's gonna have to wait for another driver. Yeah, that was a waste of time. Total ended up being $16.50, which, I mean, yeah, there was a hidden tip, but still not worth it because I have to drive all the way back now. Just got my next order. This one is for Hello Waffle. This is $7.75 going 3 miles.
Yeah, it's gonna be a couple minutes. I haven't even started yet.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Next order just came in. This one is for Mr. Maple Donuts, $9.25 going 3.5 miles.
Would you like your receipt?
No, thanks. Thank you.
Hello.
I'm gonna run the drinks on my card. this on the ground.
Thank you, sis. Have a wonderful day.
This thing's a little flimsy, so careful with it.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Yep. Have a good day. I finally got my next order. This is a shop and deliver for PetSmart. $7 going 2 miles, 2 items.
Do you need a cart?
Let me see.
Because I was going to say there's no carts in there. If you need one, you're going to have behind
Yeah,
you.
I'll take it. Why not?
Okay.
Thank you. This. They only have one.
Yeah, how can I help you?
So I'm looking for these, but they only had one on the shelf.
Not here. Give me 1 second. I'll check in our other overstock location.
Thank you.
No problem.
He said one is okay. I feel like all my orders today have taken longer than they should have. Everything's just been super slow. Next order up is for McDonald's, and this is $8 going 4.5 miles. Well, I just added like half a mile to this order because I thought I was going to a different McDonald's, so I did a U-turn, and then I realized I was already heading in the right direction when I got the order, so I had to make another U-turn. But I couldn't make that second U-turn because there was a cop behind me. So annoying, man. Excuse me. I think I caught it on the tail end there, but that car had hydraulics, and when I pulled up next to it at the light, it was straight up three-wheeling. All right, next order up is for Starbucks. This one is $7.75 going 3.5 miles.
You're gonna hit.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, I'm over it. Current time is 11:50. Current total is 94, and I still have one Uber tip yet to come in, so if I'm lucky, it'll break the $100 mark for the day. But yeah, that is gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.